Water management organizations worldwide are plagued with fragmented, low-quality data and outdated technology. Managing growing monitoring networks and the increasing demand for real-time insights exacerbate these difficulties, highlighting the critical need for a unified, secure, and powerful data management solution. Introducing WISKI, the water information system from KISTERS that turns diverse and disorganized data into unified, world-changing insights, from field to boardroom and beyond. Trusted by governments, organizations, and businesses worldwide to handle their environmental data. WISKI empowers organizations around the globe to analyze, act, and share data quickly and confidently. Enjoy secure, limitless storage, seamless data integration, and flexible data integration for streamlined management. To ensure your entire team is working from a well-protected single source of truth, wherever they're working, whatever data they're working with. Safeguard against human error and reduce your team's workload through automated processes and data validation that WISKI does for you, with the ability to standardize and analyze data in a wide range of forms. Identify trends, compare long-term data, and configure outputs in a highly functional web-based interface. Users can build, define, and configure their own advanced calculations and outputs to empower confident decision-making across your organization with endless capacity for customization. WISKI integrates seamlessly with any existing data system, designing reports, notifications, and data exports that work for you. Combining over 60 years of environmental monitoring and data management experience, WISKI delivers solutions that scale from smaller organizations to entire nations, helping change makers define the decisions that will shape tomorrow. Discover the WISKI difference